welcome back to Buckle Up and Explore. My name is Nidhi Chauhan. Namaste. And today again we have Tanisha with us. Hi. So हम कल पूरा दिन छोले कुलचे ढूंढे हैं मुंबई भर में, बट जो फेमस अंधेरी का फन रिपब्लिक के यहाँ पे छोले कुलचे था, शंभू छोले कुलचे एंड वो श्री बालाजी छोले कुलचे, दोनों बंद हो गए पोस्ट लॉकडाउन. सो वी थॉट व्हाई नॉट, एक मलाड में है उसे ट्राई करते हैं. गेस व्हाट गाइस, ये 2 महीने पहले ही खुला है एंड लेट्स गो देयर एंड चेक देम आउट. सो चलो चलते हैं छोले कुलचे खाने. ओके गाइस, तो वी रीच द प्लेस. तो यहाँ आने के लिए मैं आपको लैंडमार्क अगर बताऊँ तो मलाड का एवरशाइन नगर जो है, आपको वहाँ आना है. एंड मनाली बिल्डिंग में शॉप नंबर 1 है. सो अमूल का जहाँ पे आपको शॉप दिखेगा उसके बाहर ही है ये दिल्ली वाले छोले कुलचे. दे हैव अ वाइड वैरायटी. आई विल पुट इन द मेन्यू नाउ बट यू कैन जस्ट सी. सो हम यहाँ का स्पेशलिटी खाने वाले विच इज चिली गार्लिक छोले कुलचे विद चीज. सो आई विल शो यू द प्रोसेस. So the thing that you explained, right, Delhi and Amritsari ka, could you please tell me that?
Sure. So we have 2 options when it comes to chole kulche. We have the Delhi style, which is made with matra, which is ragda, and the second style that we have is the Amritsari style, which is Kabuli chana. So when we started in Bombay, we thought we should do Delhi street food, but then we realized that people do have a hang up and they prefer only the Kabuli chana, and hence we have both the options. What I'm making you taste today is the chili garlic chole kulche, chili garlic Amritsari chole kulche, which is something which is very unique and it's our own creation. So what you see I'm doing right now is sauteing the chili garlic sauce for you first. Once I've sauteed the chili garlic sauce, I will add in the chole in this. Add a little bit of water so it boils and heats up well.
What is
This is the salad masala.
Okay.
Salt, red chili powder, and I'm going to add some lemon to it.
And guys, as you can see, as I showed, everything is very clean over here. Just check this out. So you don't have to worry कि after lockdown you're going to have hygiene issues. There are no hygiene issues, guys. You can definitely come, and they make everything in front of your eyes. So you can see that and check that out also.
And we use induction for cooking.
Okay.
Primarily also because of safety. You don't want accidents, you don't want fire accidents.
Right.
You don't want cylinder accidents. So we use induction for cooking. From a commercial standpoint, you're not allowed to cook with fire anyway. So gas cylinders are not allowed.
Right.
So we use electricity and we use induction for cooking. Initially it was difficult, now I've got the hang of it. I love the induction.
Okay.
And I'm moving to induction even in my house.
That's so cool. It's already starting to smell so yummy.
Oh, it hasn't even started.
dhania definitely adds a good smell and taste to the chole, right?
Yeah. Hello. Dishi है दही खाता I'm gonna let this stand and start working on the.
So our chole is ready. Now the kulcha will get ready. So the kulchas are ready-made kulchas.
Yes, so I have a baker friend who
Okay.
bakes these kulchas for me.
Okay.
She runs a home bakery,
Okay.
so I get them specially made for me because I have I want the kulchas to be super soft,
Right.
and I don't like the ones that you get in the market.
Mm-hmm.
So I get her to bake these kulchas for me.
Okay.
So when you eat the kulchas, you will realize how soft they are.
Right. So we get 2 kulchas with it.
Per plate, yes.
So this is ready. The cheese is going to be added, and then I'll tell you all the taste test. So the cheese is all the kulcha also, as well as on the chole. And my mouth has already started watering now. Okay guys, so this is how the chole kulche looks. You can see the cheese on this, and like I told you, this is chili garlic cheese chole kulche. It indeed is very soft. Did you see that? It is really very soft. It's very hot, and let's try this now. Okay, so for me who's never tried chole kulche, I'm in love with this. I know where I have to come. It's amazing, guys. If you've tried chole kulche, then also come here and try this. You're going to love it. You're going to fall in love with this. I have been to Delhi but never tried the chole kulche, but I don't think that Mumbai में इससे अच्छे छोले कुलचे कहीं मिल सकते हैं. So let me eat this and show you one more time how this looks, and I'll have it the authentic way this time. Everything is very balanced. The spices, the cheese, everything is very balanced. Guys, do come and check this place out. I'm going to leave the link in the description also. And let me taste my food and I'll come back with you. Okay guys, so we are done eating chole kulche. Like you saw, बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing taste था. I didn't know कि छोले कुलचे इतने literally इतने ज्यादा यमी होते हैं. एंड शी टोल्ड अस टू हैव देयर फेमस चिली गार्लिक छोले कुलचे. एंड गाइज दे आर जस्ट 2 months ओल्ड. सो अगर आप मुंबई के हो, व्हाई नॉट गो टू मलाड एंड ट्राई देयर छोले कुलचे. इट्स रियली नाइस. ऑल्सो छोले कुलचे खाने के बाद लुक व्हाट तनीषा इज हैविंग. तनीषा शो शी सेकंड 2 आइसक्रीम. सो आपने जैसे देखा उनका पहले पीछे तरफ अमूल का पार्लर है एंड आगे उनका छोले कुलचे का है. गाइज दे आर वेरी हाइजीनिक एंड दे आर अ कपल. दे आर वेरी फ्रेंडली. आप वहां पे जाके अच्छी खासी बातें करके खा सकते हो एंड यू वोंट फील कि आप पहली बार वहां जा रहे हो. दे मेक यू फील सो वेलकम्ड. ऑल्सो वो जो कोन में तनीषा खा रही है, दैट शी मेड इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ आवर आईज, गरम गरम एकदम. सो या प्लीज कम एंड चेक देम आउट एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कि आपको कैसा लगा. Until next time, like, share and subscribe जरूर कीजिएगा and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, सारी डिटेल्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है, तो वो चेकआउट कीजिए. Until next time, bye.